Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform dunk in NBA 2K26. So there are a couple of dunks which you can use. So for that, firstly, if I go and open the options here, let me show you in the controls. Here you can see that you can perform skill dunk. In order to perform skill dunk, you need to use your left stick towards the direction of the basket while holding RT or R2 if you have PlayStation, and just move your right stick downwards and just release that when the bar get under the green area to match the timing perfectly. Next, you have two hand dunk, and in order to perform this, you can see that the controls are almost similar to skill dunk, but you just need to move your right stick upwards instead of downwards to perform two hand dunk. And if we look at normal dunk, you can see that to perform a normal dunk we don't need to use right stick, but instead we need to hold X. Now let me show you how you can do that. Firstly, we're gonna perform skill dunk. For that, you need to use a left stick towards the direction of the basket while holding RT or R2, and just hold on your right stick just like this. Release that when it get under the green area. As I said, let me do it one more time. Use the left stick, hold on RT, and just like that you can perform an skill dunk. So that was about how you can perform skill dunk. Now let's learn how you can perform two hand dunk. So for that we need to use the same controls, but this time we're gonna use the right stick upwards instead of downwards like this. And yep, there you go, we perform an two hand dunk. Let's try it one more time. And yep, there you go. Now it's time for the normal dunk. To perform a normal dunk, we need to use X instead of right stick. So just use your left stick towards the direction of the basket as I said, and just hold down RT or R2 if you have PlayStation. Just hold down X and just release that to match the timing perfectly as I said. It is quite easy, you just need to practice it a couple of times and you are ready to go. Let's perform it again. And yep. So yeah guys, that's it. This is exactly how you can do dunks in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.